Number 3 is actually an isosceles triangle, but it's also an equilateral triangle. So remember that if I have 1, 2, 3 angles that are equal to each other, then the corresponding side lengths are going to be congruent. So this will be congruent with this, and this will be congruent with this, i.e. an equilateral triangle. So that means that this side, which is 2x, is equal to the other side, which is 12. So to solve for x, this is kind of easy. I'm just going to divide both sides by 2. Why? Because 2x is 2 times x. To move the 2 away from the x, I'm going to do the opposite of multiply and divide by 2. Whatever I do on one side, I have to do to the other side. So then 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times x is just x. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And that's it. X equals 6.